It has nothing to do with a strong willpower, weak willpower, strong body, weak body. It is not a sleep or unconsciousness. Now I practice self-hypnosis every day. If it is a sleep, who is going to bring me out? To other person, it looks like you are sleeping. If I close my eye and do self-hypnosis, what you will think I am sleeping, right? But I am wide awake. In fact, in that state of mind, your senses work more powerfully. You can see better if you open your eyes, hear better, smell better, taste better, your intuition works more powerful. You know? It is not sleep or unconscious. Here I give an example. How many of you enjoy listening to the music with your eyes closed? Is it, right? So you close your eyes, you are sleeping unconscious. How many of you can focus on something, thinking about something with your closed eye, you can do it better? So your eyes are closed, so you are sleeping unconscious? No. There is no hypnotic power as I told you. Huh?
Meditation also works.
Yeah.
Focus.
Focus, yeah.
It's a breather, imagination.
Yes. So, it is not sleep, not unconscious. Many times people say, you are hypnotizing group of people, 150 people were there, I used to, that time my style was different of doing hypnosis. You want to know what was my style? Big blue, music in the background, lights off. Only one table light when I read my script. And then my tone was, close your eyes, going deeper and deeper. Very hypnotic tone. You say you are hypnotized 150 people. And during the trance something happened to you, who is going to bring them up? I said the moment you start reading my work, open your eyes and helping Baba. You can open your eyes and come out anytime you want. Now then what is hypnosis? Hypnosis is a state of mind, the body is relaxed, mind is alert, and you bypass the analyzing part of your conscious mind. That happens to us all the time. Driving a vehicle, same road, you don't know what you are doing, but you are waking there. Reading an interesting book. Many times happen, study books, you read, after 8 days, don't remember what you have read before. You go back to watching a movie, listening to the music, doing meditation. Now, what is the difference between meditation and hypnosis? In meditation also, there is a way of getting to connecting with your subconscious mind. Either you are focusing on your breathing, or a mantra, or some kind of visualization. You actually relax. That is a little deeper than alpha when you practice longer time. The difference between hypnosis is they are also connecting with your subconscious mind. Now listen carefully, very interesting thing. Difference between in meditation, you don't give the programming to yourself. You just go into the state, stay there, enjoy and come out. In hypnosis, you go there, you program your mind and come out. But in meditation also, there is an indirect suggestion you are giving. What? Nothing will do meditation to focus on his game, to increase the concentration focus while you are doing it. Honeymoon will do it for removing his stress and anxiety. That is his goal. A student's goal will be to improve their memory. Whatever thought you have taken in your mind to do the meditation, it will have effect of suggestion will happen to you, get that memory.